Good morning, students. I am going to start exercise 1.1. Question number 1. Using appropriate properties, find the value of given expression. First of all, here is given first part is minus 2 upon 3 into 3 upon 5 plus 5 upon 2 minus 3 upon 5 into 1 upon 6. Here is three terms, first, second and third. First of all, in the second step, I write down minus 2 upon 3 into 3 upon 5 minus 3 upon 5 into 1 upon 6 plus 5 upon 2. In second step, I rearrange the terms. First term, third term are together and second term is in the last. Then, just to look these two terms here. Common term is 3 upon 5 in both. Therefore, you take common 3 upon 5 from these two terms. You get minus 3 upon minus 2 upon 3 minus 1 upon 6. When you take 3 upon 5 common from these two terms, you get minus 2 upon 3 minus 1 upon 6 in the bracket plus 5 upon 2. Then you write 3 upon 5 in the bracket. You take the LCM of 3 and 6, you get 6. You divide 6 by 3, you get 2, and 2 is multiplied here. 2 to the 4 minus 4 minus, when 6 is divided by 6, you get 1. 1 is multiplied here, 1, you get 1 plus 5 upon 2. You get here 3 upon 5 into minus 5 upon 6 plus 5 upon 2. Here 5 is cancelled here and 3 1s are 3 2s are, you get minus 1 upon 2 plus 5 upon 2. You add these two terms, you write the common denominator and then you add numerators. Minus 1 plus 5, that is equal to 4 upon 2, which is equal to 2. 4 is cancelled by 2 in 2 times, you get 2. It is your answer. Question number 2. Write the additive inverse of the following. First part is 2 by 8. Third part is minus 6 upon minus 5. When you want to write the additive inverse of any integer or any rational number, then you write the negative of the rational number. Like I want to write the additive inverse of 2 by 8, then I put the negative sign before it, we get the additive inverse of 2 by 8. Like additive inverse of 2 by 8 is equal to minus 2 by 8. When you add 2 by 8 and minus 2 by 8, you get 0. Like here, additive inverse minus 6 upon minus 5 is equal to because both numerator and denominator have same sign, therefore they are cancelled each other or they are called positive rational numbers. And when you want to write additive inverse of this rational number, you get minus 6 upon 5, means negative of this rational number. Okay, then additive inverse of minus 6 upon minus 5 is equal to minus 6 upon 5. When you add these two rational numbers, you get 0. Means these two are additive inverse of each other. Question number 3rd. Verify that minus x is equal to x. For x is equal to minus 13 upon 17. In this question, first of all, I write both sides. Minus x is equal to x. Putting x is equal to minus 13 upon 17. Minus 13 upon 17 is equal to minus 13 upon 17. When you multiply minus into minus, you get plus. Minus 13 upon 17 is equal to minus 13 upon 17. When you multiply minus into plus, you get minus 13 upon 17 is equal to minus 13 upon 17. Means LHS is equal to RHS. Hence verified. Question number 4. Find the multiplicative inverse of the given numbers, given rational numbers. First of all, you know what is multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse is also known as reciprocal. Both are same. And when you multiply the number and its multiplicative inverse, you get the product 1. Like multiplicative inverse of minus 1 is minus 1. When you multiply minus 1 into minus 1, you get 1. Therefore, if you want to write the multiplicative inverse of any number, just you reverse the given number. And if you want to find out the multiplicative inverse of the given number, then the 1 is divided by the given number. 1 is divided by the given number, you get the multiplicative inverse of the given number. Like here, find the multiplicative inverse of minus 13. Means multiplicative inverse of minus 13 is equal to 1 divided by minus 13. You get 1 upon minus 13, that is equal to minus 1 upon 13. When you multiply minus 13 into minus 1 upon 13, you get 1. Therefore, just to find out the multiplicative inverse of minus 5 upon 8 into minus 3 upon 7. First of all, you upon 8 7 56. Then you find out the multiplicative inverse of 15 upon 56. Multiplicative inverse of 15 upon 56 is equal to 1 divided by 15 upon 56. You get 1 into 56 upon 15, that is equal to 56 upon 15. When you multiply this number to give a number, you get the product 1. Question number 5. Name the properties under multiplication used in each of the following expressions. First, minus 4 upon 5 into 1 is equal to 1 into minus 4 upon 5, that is equal to minus 4 upon 5. Here we use multiplicative identity 1, means 1 is the multiplicative identity which is multiplied to any rational number, you get the same rational number. There will be no change. Therefore, here is the property 1 is the multiplicative identity. One is the multiplicative identity. And second case, here is two rational numbers which are multiplied in any order. Like here is minus 13 upon 17 into minus 2 upon 7, which is equal to minus 2 upon 7 into minus 13 upon 7, means A into B is equal to B into A. This property is known as commutative law of multiplication, which is commutativity. This property is commutativity. Commutativity. And third is when two rational numbers are multiplied each other and you get the product 1. This means here is the property multiplicative inverse, that is also known as reciprocal. Means you write here the property multiplicative inverse. Which property is used here? You get the product 1.